Day and good morning, everyone. I would like to thank all of you for joining us today. Clearly, this is another special day as a partnership between the TakeCare and the Guam Community College. I'm excited to have us in this forum. I usually hold this in a venue that we can be together. But with this virtual, I really appreciate you joining us today. But let me just introduce quickly the team, our team from Take Care that's here with us today. Let me start with Arvin. I think he's on the screen. He's next to me. Mr. Arvin Lojo is the health plan administrator. And I know earlier I saw Mr. Almira is our corporate administrator who's joining us also today. And then the team of our Take Care team, actually we have Nurse Jen. Is very familiar with the Guam Community College. Is here with us now as our clinical nurse manager, and also our team from both the clinic side and the Take Care side on the plan side. So, in behalf of our team, we welcome our partners from GCC, and I know on the GCC. That's here today. Just trying to recognize everyone here on the account. We have Miss Virginia Tudela. I thought I saw you earlier. Vice President for Academic Affairs. Is she? There you go. There, I saw your screen. And our Dean of School of Trades and Professional Services, Miss Pilar Williams. Mrs. Dorothy Duenas, our Nursing and Highlight Health Administrator. Our Miss Rosemary Loveridge is working in the call center right now, able to join us. She's assistant professor there at GCC. And I have Miss Barbara Mafnas. Did she join us today? I thought she's also joining us She's a medical assisting instructor. And of course, our practical nurse student, which is really great that they're here to join us today. And the temporary nursing assistant program students that we have live, where they at with Lori as their instructor, which is going out in the screen right now, that's working at this moment. And of course, the rest of the GCC team. If I failed to introduce, we have an opportunity to introduce yourself later on this program. Clearly, we have a great partnership, and we continue to have a great partnership with GCC. As we all know, this pandemic not only highlight the need for registered nurse, but also the need for the practical nurse, the nursing assistant, and another medical technician as part of the really healthcare team. And we all know that in Guam, there's still a need of this other clinical team in order for us to be able to effectively care for our patients. And I know GCC is working with putting together in our LPN program, our nurse assistant program, our medics, the EMT program, and we would like to ensure to continue that we have adequate workforce here on the island in Guam, not only during this pandemic, but also in the futures ahead. So with that being said, let me start with our team from GCC to talk about the program and really how this, where we're able to leverage this partnership with Take Care.
Thank you, Rose. So first of all, I'd just like to say thank you to Take Care and everybody who has been in partnership with Take Care. Take Care has been extremely instrumental in enhancing the healthcare community and our healthcare programs here at GCC, specifically our Nursing and Allied Health Department. We have been able to enhance our faculty with their professional development, with their degrees due to Take Care, and we have also been able to enhance a lot of the educational resources for our students. Because of Take Care, we have been able to gain equipment to facilitate simulation for our students. as well as simulation training. We have been able to purchase simulation equipment to start up our paramedic program, which has already started and is going to go into the first phase of their live sessions. We also have our practical nursing students who have gone through the program and have been able to go out into the workforce at the various clinics and hospitals out in the community because of TakeCare and their generosity, facilitating their scholarships for our students, as well as our medical assisting students. TakeCare has been able to fund for assisting our students with their certifications and the needed resources in order to help them pass their certification exams. When we first started our programs at GCC, Miss Rosemary Loveridge is one of the very first faculty in our program, and she can attest to the fact that we were just in a little tiny modular shack starting our programs and teaching our students. And through TakeCare, we have been able to teach our students in state-of-the-art laboratories, and we have been able to provide our students with great education and evidence-based practice information and procedures so that our students can be prepared and ready for the workforce. We are constantly working and trying to meet the healthcare community needs that are out there. And because of TakeCare, we are able to reach more students every day because of the generosity that the TakeCare community has provided for the GCC college and the GCC students, particularly in nursing and allied health. So we are very, very thankful for the partnership that we have with TakeCare, as well as the ability to reach out and to enhance the healthcare workforce for Guam. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Rose. I would also like to appreciate and acknowledge TakeCare for helping us, especially during this terrible time we're in with COVID, for allowing our students to come in, especially for pediatrics. We're so grateful. Thank you for allowing the students to come in. It was a tremendous learning experience for them. They greatly appreciated the support from the doctors and the nurses in the pediatric clinic. I know you've also had some of our students in the front there doing screening at the front door. So thank you so much. Without your partnership in allowing this, we wouldn't have been able to complete our program. So we are very, very grateful. And as Ms. D said, all the supplies, a tremendous amount of money TakeCare has given us to allow us to, as she said, go forward and teach our students with state-of-the-art equipment, and all these scholarships over the years, which is a tremendous help for these students who, you know, definitely need the financial assistance to complete the program. And hopefully you will have future graduates as employees one day. So thank you again, and Happy New Year, everybody. Let's hope it's a better one.
Thank you, Rose. Anyone else from GCC would like to speak?
Rose, if I can say a few words. Thank you. On behalf of Dr. Okada, our president, Dr. Gina, our VP, our board members, our allied health administrator, Dorothy, Duenas, all of our faculty, our students, especially if our students can wave, those that are in our TNAP program and our PN program, if you can wave also. On behalf of all of these individuals, we would like to thank TakeCare for their continued support. This allows us to present some innovative programs for the island. And as you know, a healthy program equals a healthy Guam. So on behalf of the Guam Community College, we thank you very much for your support. Thank you.
This is Lorraine Okada, Chairman of the Guam Community College Foundation's Board. And we continue to appreciate the help and support that you're providing us. And at the same time, we appreciate what the Guam Community College has done to help with the medical support that our island needs. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Okada. I would like to ask the students, I think they are the star, and this is the reason why we have this partnership is truly for, you know, for our students in order to produce workforce. And if any of the students would like to say something, we can unmute.
Thank you.
Oh, they just want to do it in chorus. That was great.
Hi, Miss Rose. My name is Chris. I'm one of the practical nursing students for GCC. I started out as a CNA student, and I got certified, and then I got into the practical nursing program thanks to TakeCare. They've been with me through the whole journey. And so we just graduated, or not graduated, but we just finished the program this year with my classmates. And we're so thankful, grateful for you guys helping us out, for all the scholarships for my classmates, supplies for things like IVs. When we do IVs, we need practice, and sometimes we don't get it the first time. And so we do it like 16 times. And those are all supplies that we need help funding, and you guys provide that for us, and we're so grateful because we need all the practice. So we're so grateful. My classmates are also grateful. A lot of them are at work right now. A lot of them work at public health, swabbers. They're out there in the isolation team, so they aren't here to talk. But I just want, from my class, all of my classmates, we just want to say thank you so much. Thank you for helping us through our journey. That's it.
Thank you, Christine. Thank you for that great message on behalf of your class. So, Mr. Almira, if we want to say something.
I just want to say a prosperous new year to everyone. And we are looking forward to the 2021, making sure that everybody is healthy. And again, thank you on behalf of TakeCare and FHP for all the things that you've done to the community and to the students. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, Almira. Okay, Nurse Jan. Oh, yes.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you guys for lending us your beautiful students in our clinical setting. We truly appreciate their assistance as we are doing our clinics during this pandemic. They have been a great resource to the physicians, to the MAs, to the LPNs, and to the RNs in our clinic. One of the things that we truly appreciate is when your students are in our clinic and they are providing quality patient care. It makes us look good, and we truly appreciate Guam Community College's commitment and loyalty to the healthcare industry. Thank you all.
Thank you, Jan. Let me introduce you, Miss Jeanie Perez. She's actually responsible for putting together your check. This is the most important person in here, so let's hear it from her.
Good morning, everyone. It's an honor and a privilege to be here with everyone. I just wanted to take the time to let GCC know that over the 15 years that I've been working with President Okada on the grant proposals, it has been really rewarding. I have seen the growth of the college from 2004 up to today's current student enrollment. And I'm really impressed with the things that they have done with the grant money that we have given them and all the things that have been put in place since 2005. I see the fruits of their labor and the fruits of our donations and contributions to the program. And I hope that this is something that we can continue in the future. And again, I just want to say thank you to all of you at GCC and to all my coworkers here at TakeCare and FHP for making this all possible. Thank you.
Let me introduce from the TakeCare side, Mr. Arvin Lojo.
half a day and good morning, everybody. Again, thank you for joining us in this new normal in terms of interacting with people. Um, Again, for more than 11 years, TakeCare has been supporting the Guam Community College, School of Trades and Professional Services, and Allied Health Department. TakeCare and the community thanks all of your efforts and good work and support that your nursing, EMT, and other medical programs have provided, and we look forward to your future accomplishments. You know, especially everyone in Guam, especially these times, understand the importance of what you do, um, and the future nurses and the medical professional that your program trains. Again, the people of Guam and the Marianas live healthier because of what the Guam Community College does for the community. And with that, um, I think the real check is ready. I don't know if you already received it, but for the purpose of this presentation, I'll hold up this check for everybody to see.
Oh, wow. My gosh.
All right, awesome. Thank you.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Arvin Lojo. You know, I'm wearing two hats actually, as being as the administrator FHP, but also, you know, work closely with GCC as one of the advisory council for our Allied Health program. And two is proud and where we had done and what we have accomplished. And I'm looking forward for more, you know, better engagement and working together to produce more of this, you know, healthcare workers to be part of our task force, the healthcare workforce here in Guam. So with that being said, you know, this concludes our ceremony today, or, you know, check presentation. And I do wish everyone a safe and healthy, happy New Year. Thank you all for joining us.